guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly I'm starting off with this Stila primer. This is a really good primer to counteract the redness in your skin, and I love this one. It really hydrates your skin before you apply the foundation, makes it look so flawless. And then I'm going in with this P.Louise eyeshadow base. I love this eyeshadow base. It's amazing if you want your eyeshadow to really pop, and it makes it look so much more pigmented as well. I love it. I've also found that the best way to use this product is actually to set it afterwards. So I'm going in with this Australis translucent powder and just applying a small amount to my eyelids, and that just sets it before applying the eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with this Anastasiabeverlyhills eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this pink eyeshadow and applying this shade to my crease. You always want to make sure you use a matte shade in the crease that has absolutely no shimmer, because this creates more definition to the eye. Pink also looks amazing on green eyes and really makes them stand out, so I love the way this looked. Now I'm going in with Blank Canvas by P.Louise, and I'm just going to do a cut crease. And this product is amazing when layering the eyeshadows because it doesn't look cakey or crusty at all, so I absolutely love this product. To sharpen up the cut crease, I'm using this really dense Sigma brush, and then following that I'm using this Tarte eyeshadow, and I love the way this turned out. Honestly, this is probably the best makeup look I've ever done, and it's kind of like a sunset makeup look. And then following this I'm going to go in with this orange shade from that same Tarte palette, and I'm just applying that to my lid. These eyeshadows are so foiled and creamy. I'm obsessed with these eyeshadows. And now I'm going in with Glow Girl by P.Louise, and I'm just doing this line across that cut crease there. And then I'm going to go in with this Sigma gel eyeliner. I absolutely love this one. It's amazing if you want a really dark eyeliner that stands out, and I'm kind of just doing like a winged line there. And then following that I'm just going to coat my lashes with the Better Than Sex mascara, and also following that I'm going to apply some Huda Beauty lashes. And you always want to apply mascara before lashes because you don't want to be able to see your real lashes, especially if they're not black. After I've applied these absolutely stunning lashes, I'm then going to go in with the Anastasiabeverlyhills Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with this Eyeko beauty brush, and then following that I'm going to go in with the Eyeko brow gel. I absolutely love this one. It really fills in your eyebrows and makes your eyebrow hairs really defined. And then I'm going to use this primer, and I just want to ensure that my skin is really hydrated before I apply the foundation. And this foundation I'm going to be using today is the MAC NC20 foundation, and this is a really good one if you're having a night out and you really want something full coverage that just covers every little thing up. I'm also using the Sedona Lace foundation brush. This one is amazing. It really buffs the foundation into your skin rather than swiping it off. It really provides a full coverage makeup look. And then following that I'm going to go in with the MAC NC20 concealer, and this is honestly the best concealer I've ever used. It makes your under eyes look so flawless, and it really covers up mascara as well. It covers up any flaw on your face, and it provides full coverage. And following that I'm using this Marc Jacobs highlight, and then I'm using the Mercier powder, and I'm using that under my eyes just to set that concealer. I love this one. It's so nice, like it's so amazing. And then I'm going to go in with this MAC powder. This is the best powder ever. It's so full coverage and just sets the foundation in place and makes your skin look so flawless and so pretty. And following that I'm using this Hourglass highlighter, and this is just so natural but so pretty at the same time. I can't even describe how it looks because it is insane. And then I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is by far my favourite bronzer ever. I love it even more than the MAC one. It is so good. And I'm just applying that bronzer to my forehead, cheekbones, and then I'm just going to go in with this Nars blush. This one is amazing. It's so pretty, and I feel like it really complements the eye makeup look that I did. And following that I'm going in with the Mary Lou Manizer highlight by the Balm. If you want a really intense highlight, this is definitely the one for you. It is amazing. It's so pigmented. It really makes your cheekbones stand out. And then I'm going in with this MAC lipstick. It's called Pretty Please, and I love this colour. It's so pretty. And then I'm using White Russian by Buxom, and this is like a cold sensation on your lips which makes them more plump. So I love this product so much, and I really feel like it suits me. So yeah, I'm then going in with High Beam, and I'm just applying this to my lips in the middle there, and that is just going to make your lips look a little bit bigger. And then using this other lipstick from Too Faced, it's called Topless, and I'm just applying that to the outer corners of my lips, which is also going to make my lips look a little bit bigger as well because I've got quite small lips. And this is the final makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoyed this makeup video.